Yo guys, what up? Me, Patrick LeVar, back again with another video. This time I'm changing the pace up a little bit. If you guys follow me on my Instagram, you know that I made this little 3D scan using this app called Displayland. And you can just basically record video and then do a 3D capture scan. So the weather outside is really diffuse lighting right now, and I'm really jonesing to use this app again. So I'm gonna go outside and get another capture. So let's head outside and let's go 3D scan something. Guys, as I was seriously getting ready to leave, it starts raining. So I don't know if we're gonna be able to do this. Literally started raining in like 2 minutes ago. So I think I might just kind of wait like for a couple minutes and see if we can wait it out, because it's just really light. Or I might just go around the corner and see if we can find something interesting to scan. So let's do that. So I'm close to home. Okay, so I went around the corner and it's literally getting worse. So I don't know if, actually, you know what? I think I might just scan this wall right here next to me, because I want to scan something. So let's see how much time I can get on this. And basically you scan the wall using video, right? Using the video app. I tried to do small objects, but I went back to the website. Basically anything the size of a tennis shoe is about as small as you want to, ooh, water's dropping right on there. It's about as small as you want to scan. The bigger the better. So you basically just got to come back and do all these passes. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then import the app is free too, which is cool. And then the app will take it and then basically generate a 3D model out of the scan that you did. So let's get to work. Alright guys, I had to stop because it's starting to get more sunny, and it was cloudy when I started, so if you continue while it's sunny, like the lighting will be mixed. So I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna move to somewhere else and see if we can find another spot. Alright guys, so I'm going to try to scan this big Japanese door here. This is going to be awesome if I can do it. It's just that this is a tough street because there's a lot of traffic of people walking by. And when you're scanning, you don't want people in the shot, otherwise they're going to be embedded into the image. So let's see how I can do. Alrighty guys, well, the battery is about to run low. I got about 2 more scans. I went down this alleyway, got eaten up by mosquitoes. I was there for like 10 minutes. It's taken about 15 to 20 minutes to get a max scan with all the data, but a couple of the last 2, I just cut them short because I couldn't withstand the mosquitoes. Literally, I know my legs right now have been lunch meat because I can feel the itchiness. But anyways, I'm gonna head back home, charge the phone up, and we gotta upload all these, and then we'll see how they came out. All right, so we're back. It's been like 7 hours, and most of the scans are finished now, so let's take a look at them. Alrighty guys, so that's a wrap. Super tired. I'm gonna edit this here on Adobe Rush, all on the phone here, and get everything posted. I had a lot of fun though. It was cool doing these scans. Again, this app is called Displayland. Displayland. I need to go to sleep. I'm super tired. Keep filming. Take care of each other. If you guys do anything, or if you do sign up for this app, guys, don't forget the Discord server down below. Jump in there, share your guys' creations, and let's just have fun using the mobile phones and creating material. Catch you guys in the next one. Stay safe, take care of each other. Peace.